Hey guys, Alicia here. This video is going to be just a little bit different from the norm that I normally do, but I wanted to take a moment and talk about something just a little bit different. But before I get into the video, if you are new to my channel and want to know how to make money online, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos. Also today, I want to thank the Naked Teapot Company for sponsoring this video. If you are interested in sponsoring my YouTube channel, I have a form and it will be in the description below for you to fill out. It's very simple, and then I will feature your Etsy shop in one of my videos. And if you have a blog or an Instagram account, something like that that you would like me to feature, you can just simply leave the link to that. So today, before I get into talking about today's video is going to be about finding your why and how to make your why statement. But I wanted to go into the Naked Teapot's Etsy shop. Now, she does a lot of SVGs, crochet patterns, and planners. So if you're into planners, which I'm a planner freak, she does a lot of those. Now, she has everything over here organized into categories. She even has things that are on sale, things that are ready to ship, JPEG, PNG, SVG printables, planner printables, Irish PNG. I want to also mention she is from Ireland. I love the fact that my YouTube channel and also my Facebook group, I have people from all over the world watching my YouTube channel and also members of my Facebook group. So she's got everything, mock-ups, screensavers, digital scrapbooking. She has everything, perfectly organized. So I just wanted to pull up one of her, and she's been working very hard lately because she is working towards a goal, and she is very big on setting goals for herself, and she's really been, cracking down lately and working super hard. So I'm going to pull this up. I love this. These are gift tag printables, and she said, it says, "You didn't ask for this, but I got it anyway." And I remember she made a post in the Facebook group about it, asking, would you be put off about this? Or be put off about this? And I thought it was cute. So it just, really. So she does have some nice items in her shop, lots of them and different types. So I really like, a lot of her artwork and all of her SVGs and how she has done it, but especially her planners. So she just now has a Happy Planner 2020, and you can get on here, and right now she has it for $2.31. That's US dollars. I'm not sure what that is because I know her currency is euro. So she's got this. It is her 2020 Happy Planner 2000 or printable calendar, Llama Happy. She's got it up here. Happy Planner printable. So once again, I highly recommend to jump over and check out her shop. In addition to her shop, she also has an Instagram account. And before I jump over to her Instagram account, I just wanted to go over here. So right here in this post, for $1.15, that's US dollars, she has a printable monogram base, printable mandala. So basically, she has made this watercolor where you can put a monogram right here in the middle of it. So once again, she has lots of things. So let me hop over here to her Instagram account. And she has over 10,000 followers on her Instagram account. So make sure to hop over on Instagram and follow her. She, I believe, has some sort of thing. It's on my Facebook group where she will feature your Etsy shop on her Instagram because she does have 10,000 followers. So if you are not a member of my Facebook group, make sure to hop over to Facebook, just search under groups for Etsy Passive Income, and you can find it. You have to answer the 3 questions, and one of the moderators or myself will allow you into the group. Now, back to her shop. One more thing. This video is going to be about briefly describing about finding your why and making your why statement. And is what inspired me to do this video about finding your why is what she wrote when she filled out the form to join my YouTube sponsorship program. And she wrote, "My shop enables me to feed a lot of tiny furry mouths. We rescue and foster assorted animals and currently have 4 cats, 1 dog, a turtle, 45 fish, and 4 chickens, and a tiny sparrow." So I absolutely love the fact that she is doing this. That is her why. She has, a love for animals and rescue, and that is why she wants to do that. So I'm going to hop over here. I actually pulled up this post that she made on July 25th. And I really got tickled at this, but actually she really cracked down and started working hard. And she said, "Are you all fed up with my promo posts yet?" She said, "Well, here's why I've been pushing sales so hard. This is my Savannah, Nala. Thanks to my Etsy sales, I have been able to get her spayed today. She's peeved and angry, but I'm so happy it's done. Now all I need to do is get her 2 babies spayed as well. Small sales can mean big things for people like me." And she put XX. "Thank you all for your support." So this is her why. She has a passion for animals and rescue. So this is what she wants to do. So let me jump back over and I'm going to talk about why. Now, I have been talking about my why in almost all of my videos I have done. I set out to do something well over a year ago, and I wanted to teach people and inspire people that you can make money online and you don't have to spend a lot of money in order to do so. So I set out to do something and I'm sticking to it. And I wanted to inspire others to do that as well. So what is your why? Your why is your purpose. And you should not confuse your why with your work, but rather, why are you doing what you're doing? Also, your why is living your life with purpose and focusing on the things that matter most to you. This kind of goes back to the Naked Teapot, Serena. She has a passion for animals and animal rescue, and this is why she's doing what she is doing. Your skills, values, and passions make your purpose. I want you to remember that. So these are all going to help you. Your why is what inspires others to take action and to buy your products. So when you come up with your why statement and why you're doing what you're doing and understanding truly what you're doing, then you have a purpose. A lot of people will jump into Etsy, oh, I just want to make money. I just want to, they're doing it because of the money. But you really, whatever type of online business you have, you really have to have a purpose behind it. Why are you doing this? So feel free to comment below. What is your why statement? Comment in the comment section below of what your why statement is. But before you comment, really think about it and create it. Create your why statement. I wanted to recommend a book that I have and I love so much, and it's by Simon Sinek. And he wrote this book. It's Start With Why. How great leaders inspire everyone to take action with why. So you can get this on Amazon. He has this available in a hardcover for $19.93. You can get it on Kindle for $12.99. Paperback is $9.99, and the audio CD is $26.04. So I highly recommend to get this book. I have it, and it's an awesome book. So just wanted to throw that out there. So back to the Naked Teapot. Make sure you hop over and check out her Etsy shop, which I will leave a link to this in the description below. Also hop over and check out her Instagram page where she has 10,000 followers, and if you want to be featured, I believe, on her Instagram page, make sure that you reach out to her on that. And also, once again, if you are not a member of my Facebook group, please just hop over here to Facebook. This is what it looks like when you will pull it up. Let me get back to my groups. So this is what it looks like, Etsy Passive Income, and I did put a little slogan here, supporting one another in growing your online business. My group has now grown to, I'm getting close to 1,800 members, and any sort of design questions that you have, feel free to post those here. I just don't allow any negativity or any spam, so please hop over there. Thank you so much to the Naked Teapot for sponsoring this video, and thanks everyone for watching. I hope everyone has a wonderful day.